So me said this you wanna ghetto anthem. And the one you're reaching out for all the ghetto children car. We need the money, we not borrow, we not lend. In a 2010 the song for ration have to end start.
And this a what?
This are the ghetto anthem.
Yes.
The one you're reaching out for all the ghetto children.
If you know
we need
you're from the ghetto,
we not borrow,
sing with me.
Ghetto use the
What you say?
spend. Green like me garden, green like me garden.
In a 2020.
Better know it.
That song is under arrest.
One more time I get to use it.
Well, I don't know say this is the baddest money tune of the year. Money you have to make like me always say. Yeah, we don't play. I'm vigilant.
I hear that. Big man. So me said this you wanna ghetto anthem. And the one you're reaching out for all the ghetto children car. We need the money, we not borrow, we not lend. In a 2010 the song for ration have to end star.
And this a what?
The ghetto anthem. And the one you're reaching out for all the ghetto children.
If you're from the trenches,
We need the money, we not borrow, we not lend. Ghetto you
say it.
money.
One more time.
Green like me garden, green like me garden. In a 2010, better know it ever happen. Green like me garden, green like me garden. Money have to plenty, we not beg a boy nothing. Green like me garden, green like me garden.
every youth in the ghetto making money just to
Imagine, green like me garden, green like me garden.
money ever.
I had to find cause it are no Bin Laden.
Big man.
2010, yes, me have to make the paper. Money chase me, no me and no money chaser. 7 digits, me not take nothing later. The money plenty, me need the money compress.